How do you know your videos have a potential engagement? Well, the first thing you've got to do is to make analysis on a list of your uploaded videos on your YouTube channel handle. The essence of this is observe the number of views and engagement your content attracts, say in a couple of hours, a day, weeks or a month. Your observation is crucial in knowing what content your current and potential audience actively consume and why they come to you in the first place. Of course, there are times your channel might experience setbacks like a little or no engagement at all on the above stated time frame, but that doesn't mean it's over yet. Just keep getting better, uploading consistently on standard quality videos and doing promotions as well if you have to. There are a plethora list of social media groups that could aid you to promote your videos depending on your capacity. Stay positive, be optimistic. If you approve of this and would like more of these, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment for subsequent updates.